Hi, welcome to our drawing studio. Today we are going to tell you a story about Lila's Enchanted Garden. Once upon a time, in a cozy little cottage at the edge of a village, lived a curious and kind-hearted girl named Lila. Lila loved spending her days exploring the lush green fields and the nearby woods, but her favorite place of all was her very own garden. Lila's garden was no ordinary garden. It was enchanted with a touch of magic that made the flowers bloom in the most vibrant colors, and the fruits taste sweeter than anywhere else. Lila had inherited the garden from her grandmother, who was a skilled and kind witch. Every morning, Lila would wake up with the sun, put on her gardening gloves, and set off to tend to her garden. She would talk to the flowers, sing to the birds, and even play gentle tunes on her flute, which seemed to make the plants grow taller and healthier. One day, as Lila was tending to her garden, she noticed a tiny door nestled beneath a thicket of roses. Intrigued, she carefully opened the door and found herself stepping into a world of wonder. It was a miniature realm filled with talking animals, twinkling fireflies, and sparkling streams. Lila's kindness and compassion soon made her a beloved friend to the creatures of this enchanted land. The animals helped her weed and water the garden, and in return, she shared stories of the outside world and sang them songs that echoed through the trees. As the seasons changed, Lila's garden flourished even more. Word of her magical garden spread, and people from neighboring villages came to see the incredible sights. Lila would guide them through her garden, showing them the hidden corners and sharing the tales of her adventures. One evening, a harsh storm threatened to destroy the garden. Lila and her newfound animal friends worked tirelessly to protect the delicate flowers and plants. They used giant leaves as umbrellas and created makeshift shelters from fallen branches. Their combined efforts saved the garden from the worst of the storm. Moved by Lila's bravery and the beauty of her garden, the animals decided to grant her a special gift. They sprinkled a handful of starlight over the garden, making it glow with an otherworldly radiance at night. From then on, Lila's garden became a beacon of light, drawing travelers from far and wide to witness its enchanting splendor. And so, the story of Lila's Enchanted Garden became a beloved tale passed down through generations. It reminded everyone that with kindness, a touch of magic, and a little help from friends, even the most ordinary things can become extraordinary wonders.